Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, AliShanMao here, and I brought my He-Wing just to test fly it. And I'm worried that because there's no camera, the canopy will pop out at high speeds. And it has that Sparrow 2 flight controller. I still didn't install FPV because I'm kind of bored flying FPV. I like flying line of sight and, you know, having fun line of sight. So let's give it a flight and see how it goes. Oh, oh, oh. And it's hard to see this plane. I have to be completely focused flying this one. Wowee. I don't think my camera is actually catching it. Only when it gives us a pass, I can bring it for a pass, you can see it. Otherwise, when it goes farther, you cannot see it. Wow, that climb rate is insane. Oh! Too quick, man.
You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?